first, of course, and she's the one who's going to tell us everything about Asia CEO Forum and Asia CEO Awards. Ayan, so please all welcome the maid who made it. Very inspirational, di ba? Miss Rebecca Bustamante.
The Philippines, to really do something to promote Philippines at the Filipinos. Basically, yun talagang purpose natin. That's why we started yung HCO Forum. HCO Forum to really encourage investors to invest in Philippines. Bakit kailangan silang pumunta dito to give jobs? At if you can see it, that you're part of this, mga BPOs, that we are the #1 in the world. So, ibig sabihin, ang dami ng mga trabaho talaga na available dito. And we don't have to go abroad. Tama rin yung sinasabi that we don't have to really go abroad. Kasi, nandito na. But it's up to us where we want to go. Yun talaga ang sagot doon. Kasi, if I can compare my life here, it's way better when I was in Canada. Kasi, mahirap din doon sa abroad. There's plus and minus. Doon kasi sa abroad, you're looked after. Sa Toronto, we have proper health system, maganda doon, talagang protected tayo. But in terms naman sa salary, yes, mataas, pero lahat naman ng gastos mataas. Dito sa Philippines, ganoon din. Ang maganda rito, you are in control with so many things also. Nandito pamilya nyo, nandito ang kultura natin, bayan talaga natin ito, yun ang maganda doon. But yet, kung gusto mong kumita na mas malaki pa, yes, nandito sa ating bansa. It's up to you how you manage your time. Okay? Kasi sometimes, lahat tayo have 24 hours a day, but if you ask yourself, why others more successful than me? Anong pagkakaiba ko? Then, yun ang tatanungin nyo ngayon, bakit nga? Kasi I could say na, pare-parehas lang tayo. The only difference is where I put my time. Kasi, ang time ko very special, very precious. So, I make sure na yung time ko na everyday like this is very valuable. Hindi ako pupunta sa isang bagay na dahil pupunta lang, makikipag-meet lang. Okay? Ibig sabihin, I meet this group kasi I know na this is very special based on my time. So, ganun din. So, halimbawa, I work full-time. When I work full-time, sinong pinapayaman ko? Siyempre, yung may-ari ng kumpanya. But if I start my own business, sinong pinapayaman ko? Siyempre, ang aking sarili. So, that's how I look into it. So, of course, I encourage each and every one of you to start your own business. Where I'm good at. Like kung sinasabi, ano ba talaga ang hilig mo? Like when I spoke with, di ba nag-usap tayong dalawa? So, sabi, ano ba talaga ang hilig mo? Okay? So, kung ano yung hilig nyo, yun talaga ang gagawin nyo. Because you want to be in control with your mind. Don't let your mind controls you. Kasi kung halimbawa, ay, kailangan ko to. Do you really need that? Or dahil hilig mo lang yun? The reason why we are doing this HCO Forum, because of that. Mahirap, hindi madali, but I am so focused together with Richard, so focused because we wanted to make Philippines as first world. Si want. You want. And we need it. Kagustuhan talaga natin. So, we are making noise, we're sharing it to all of you, kasi doon talaga tayo papunta. Now, with each and every one of you, kung yun din talagang kagustuhan natin and we are using our time wisely, going toward direction, hindi lang yung bansa natin ang yayaman, kundi each and every one of us. Believe me. Bakit? How? Paano ko yayaman kung yun lang ginagawa ko? Kasi, the things that you're doing, people will appreciate it. Then, blessings will just come to you. Like us. Hindi ko rin in-expect to na the results like this. But, give yourself 10 years. For example, mag-start kayo ngayon, focusing on starting your own business at home. 10 years from now, dun nyo makikita ang result. But, you have to do the work every single day, whether you like it or not. Kahit na pagod na kayo, kailangan kayong gumising at i-maximize nyo yung oras nyo. You know? Yun ang sagot doon. At walang pagkakaiba sa akin or kayo. And in 10 years, if we're still alive, because we cannot tell, right? Sabi niyo, Rebecca, I could not expect na nandito yung here I am now based on doing these activities. But, pag yung araw-araw na yon, kasi kung alam nyo, kung if you can visualize kung saan kayo papunta, kasi gusto nating yumaman, gusto nating kumita ng ganito, gusto nating magandang buhay, but yung has to be direct, yung talagang merong direct to the point. No, I want to make 10 million pesos in 10 years. Yung ganon. So, if you want to make 10 million in 10 years, how you gonna do that? So, so 1 million per year. So, in 1 year, how much money you want to make per month yun? So, 100,000. Diba? If you calculate it. So, in 1 week, magkano yun? 25,000 peso a week. Doable ba yun? Yes, right? See? Pero hindi natin binivisualize na, ganun pala. But then, the 25,000 a week, anong activities ang kailangan natin gawin para ma-achieve natin yun? Ayun, ang sagot doon. Ako, alam ko kung paano ko ma-achieve yun. Kung ano yung for example, this year, meron akong hit na target. Na-hit ko na. Anong month pa lang ngayon? See? Yan ako. So ngayon, I'm working now for 2016 kasi I would like the event natin na maging international. The summit, okay? The awards with this, we are open in Asia. Bakit in-open natin ang Asia? I can share that with you. Together with dating forum, we want to offer international also next year, hindi lang Asia. See? Alam ko na kung saan tayo papunta. Alam ko na kung ano ang dapat natin gawin. So ngayon yung oras ko, every single day, alam ko kung ano yung ginagawa ko para doon na tayo papunta. Sinakuha niyo ibig sabihin nun? Yun lang ang pagkakaiba. It's not because I'm smart or because no. We're all the same, believe me. It's just really using our time wisely.